Hello YouTube, and I know I haven't put in a video out of a while. I know I haven't put a video out in a while, but I decided to start doing Airsoft videos instead of Nerf videos. I don't know why. Some people seem to like Airsoft more than Nerf. So yeah, I just decided to do a little review. This is another attempt at my Airsoft review that I did in like January, but it didn't upload because YouTube failed. So this is my first sidearm. It's the Stinger P311. It's one of my favorite sidearms. It's made by Crossman, and it has a spring. It has a spring-loaded mag. So when you press the eject button, it would pop out. Jesus. And it's spring powered. So yeah, it's like I forget how many FPS it is. Maybe it's like I think it was like 172 or something. So yeah. That is my first pistol, and then my other pistols. These are they're still Crossman pistols. They're still Crossman, but they're a little harder to pull back. Stinger P30. Oh. Well, I'm lucky I wasn't shooting the camera wasn't on the Corvette. So yeah, it shoots same size BBs as all my other Airsoft guns. I have actually 3 of these, so I can use all 3 mags for these, so it's a speed load. And it's pretty high powered. I think this one's a little higher FPS, maybe 200 FPS. I'm not sure. I didn't really read the packages. This one takes 6mm BBs. So does the Stinger P311. And yeah. So now, where's my other gun? This is my Panther Arms M16 or M4A1. I taped the magazine for effect. I have a foregrip, and the scope on here is for my FAMAS. It's spring powered, and not sure, but it has a high powered scope and a low powered setting for daytime. And yeah, I soldered it, I put it in, and it lines up perfectly with the front sight right here. Yeah, this one was broken before, but then my dad fixed it for me. He gutted the entire gun and put it all back together for me. And apparently I was using the wrong BBs for it, so now it's fixed. MP5, that doesn't work. Good prop gun. I might sell that on eBay. Yeah, this one's spring powered too. It used to shoot really good. It has like 20 round magazine. So yeah, that was fun while it lasted. Come here, Mr. Hammond. Whoa. Oh. That's where my laptop cord went. Amazing. How you can find stuff. Let me look. This is my FAMAS. This is the barrel for it, so it's easy storage. This one did not come with a foregrip, but it did come with like some sort of speed loader thing. I'm not really sure how to use it yet. But can take this off. I have no idea why you can. 35 round magazine. That's just an estimate. Safety. And yeah, this puts holes in aluminum cans from about 20 feet away. So it's my favorite sniper, or somewhat of a sniper. I'm planning on getting a sniper from Capital Airsoft for Christmas. I hope so, at least. Is it still recording? Yes, it is. Okay. Now, oh jeez. AK-47, where may you be? Oh yeah, and then this is the front attachment for the FAMAS. This was from an old pistol I had. And so yeah, I might as well keep some of this stuff in here. Let me grab my parts bin. I need to empty this thing out. You can probably sell this ammo bin on eBay. Very good. $40. Shitload of BBs. Where can I put those? Since I'm lazy and I don't want to waste BBs, we'll just chuck them in here. This might and may not work. That was amazing grammar. Oh, I think this might work. Oh, Jesus. Okay, now that that's empty. Damn it. Okie dokes. I will be right back. Good thing those are biodegradable. Now that that's over with. I'm sorry for the delay, guys. I probably should have got all this done before I even started the video. But I'll just get straight to the point and show you my AK-47. So, this is by far one of the coolest airsoft guns I've ever had. It's the TechFast AK-47. It's about 377 FPS. It has selective fire, and it's got a hop up right there. So, and it's not really lightweight. Your arms hurt after shooting it after a while. But the sights came perfectly fine. Like, I didn't even need to do anything to the sights. But I prefer to shoot it right-handed. Or is it left-handed? I have no damn idea. But, yeah, it's by far one of the coolest airsoft guns I've ever had. And, yeah. So that's the end of my airsoft review. So if I had to rate all my airsoft guns out of 10, the AK-47 would probably be 10. Billion are those 5. Even though the magazine is messed up and does not log into the game, but it still works. So I'm happy about that. See you guys later, and I hope to see you people again.